Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I am going to be discussing the dangers of pre-ordering. Alright, so now my discussion is pretty much centered around Chanel, but I guess you can also do, or this also concerns pre-ordering with any other brand. I don't know if, I don't think Louis Vuitton does the pre-ordering or does the wait lists anymore. I've heard several people say different things, but I haven't really contacted my SA in a while because I just haven't been interested in, you know, much of the items coming from Louis Vuitton. But, you know, this could go with pre-ordering for Dior. It could be for pre-ordering Hermes and Gucci. I don't even know if those brands do pre-ordering. But I do know that Chanel does pre-ordering, and if you guys are not familiar with what pre-ordering is, it's basically putting your name on a list for first dibs. And so usually stores get a lookbook, and you could look through this book and you could put your name down on, you know, a particular page that has a particular item. And when that item comes in, the sales associates are supposed to go in order from, you know, who put their name down first, and the person who puts their name down first is basically the one that is entitled to, you know, get that item. And now, one of these items in particular, I put, so I've put pre-orders down several times for several different items, and I've never usually got in time to be able to get the item, but for other items I have. In particular, there was a item, and I am talking about this item in particular. This is the phone case from Chanel that was first released in 2017, I believe, and it was originally released in a smaller version, but I was so excited about this version because it was bigger and it came in several different sizes, and now I know that this particular item was really hard, you know, the very first time that it came out. And it was just so hard to get your hands on them that I put my name down with my my main essay, but I have also put my name down for other essays that other people have gotten me hooked up with. And so this goes into talking about the dangers of pre-ordering. Now, you could, and I know a lot of people do this, they put their names down at several stores because, first of all, you don't know if that store is definitely going to get that item. You also don't know, I mean, I'm sure your essay could tell you what place you are in line, but, you know, sometimes essays could, you know, take something out of a box and give it to one of their clients when there was already a list, a wait list for that particular item. So there's always chances that you won't get an item. And so for this particular item, I put my name down for all the colors, but not just that, I put my name down at several different essays because I wanted this particular color, which is the turquoise color, and I was fortunate enough to get it. And now here is the problem. Okay, so let's start out with the black one. So first of all, I put my name down for all the different colors, not thinking I would get all of them. I ended up getting all of them, as you'll see. And so here I got a black one. Here I got, it's hard to see this one. You can see it with this one. It's in navy, and this is in light gold hardware. Okay, here comes the problem. Here is the pink one. It looks more red on camera, but it is the cranberry red. I also got another one. And so, and yeah, with pre-ordering, since I pre-ordered them, there have been some essays that take my card number down and they automatically charge me once the item comes in. And so yeah, I got two of the red ones. But here's the clincher. Since this is the one that I wanted most of all, the turquoise one, I got one. I got two. Let's just say I have three. And since again I did pre-order them, so the essays did ask me if I still wanted the items, and I could have said no, but I felt obliged to go through with the transaction because I did pre-order it and I said I wanted it, and I wanted that SA to get that sale instead of, you know, going down the list and having someone else get it for their client, or another sales associate to get it for their client. And so I ended up getting every item that came in that I had pre-ordered. And to be honest with you, nobody needs this many phone cases. And let me just show you guys them all. And I'll have to put these all back in their boxes. But I am not doing this to show off by any means. I'm doing this to prove a point that, oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. To prove the point that it is dangerous to pre-order, especially for items that are, you know, very limited, or that, you know, it's hard to get. So yeah, so I have decided, since you know, I don't need this many phone holders, I am just going to keep one because this is the one I originally wanted. And I'll keep one of these. I mean, I haven't even traveled yet, and this is what I plan to use as a passport holder and travel document holder, not really for my cell phone, since I have a really big, you know, cell phone. It does fit in there, but I'd rather use it for travel documents. And so I plan to only use one and try to sell the others, and so that becomes an issue as well. It's like, I'm terrible at selling stuff, and I have a lot of stuff that I need to sell, but I just don't have time to take pictures, to do any of this stuff. And so I wish I could just be the buyer, because I'm really good at that, and I wish I had somebody to help me with the selling. But yeah, and another topic that I just thought about was just basically saying no. And that goes into saying no whenever you go into a boutique and you spend, you know, half an hour with a sales associate, and, you know, nothing's really singing to you. But maybe I'll save that topic for another video, because I have a little bit more to talk about with that, because I have worked retail before. But anyway, so yeah, I will talk about that in a different video. So yeah, stay tuned for a vlog sale video that I will plan to put out. I don't think I will do that. I will be able to put it out before Christmas, which was the original goal, because that's when people are, you know, buying stuff. But I just have no time. I'll probably do this in the new year. But yeah, so that does it for this video. And this is just a warning to, you know, be careful with pre-ordering. Because you could, you know, be like me and be stuck with a whole lot of stuff that you don't need. Yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and until, okay, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.